southeastern Polk County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Walker County in southeastern Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chester to near Cold Spring to 7 miles north of Montgomery, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This line of storms has a history of producing strong damaging winds in the Huntsville area. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conroe, Cleveland, Willers, Livingston, Pinehurst, The Woodlands, Shepherd, Panorama Village, Splendora, Hatton Village, Roman Forest, Magnolia, Wood Branch, Cut and Shoot, New Waverly, Cold Spring, Harding, Montgomery, Plum Grove, and Goodrich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.